Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn smart tech tricks to work faster and more efficiently online. Did you know you can type an entire document in Google Docs without touching your keyboard? Today, I'll show you how to use Google Docs voice typing to convert speech into text instantly. Step 1. Open Google Docs. Open your browser and go to docs.google.com or access it from the Google Apps waffle icon. Once inside Google Docs, open a blank document where you want to start dictating your text. Step 2. Enable voice typing. At the top menu, click Tools to open additional Google Docs features. From the drop-down menu, select Voice Typing, which will open a microphone tool on the left side. Step 3. Choose your language. Next to the microphone icon, click the Language drop-down menu. Select your preferred language or accent so Google Docs can accurately understand your speech. If you enjoy learning productivity tricks like this, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more tech tutorials. Step 4. Start speaking. Click the microphone icon and it will turn red, showing that voice typing is active. Now start speaking clearly, and Google Docs will automatically convert your speech into text in real time. And that's how you use Google Docs voice typing to write documents faster using just your voice. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more powerful productivity tips.